All right, Bryan 64 Imperial. Last time we were here, we determined the pickup in the tank was broken, and the tank hasn't been off the car since it was built. So we are taking the fuel out of the tank. Of course it was full. Why wouldn't it be full? Get the fuel out of the tank, and then we're gonna pull it. All right, so we got one side undone. I mean, it does stress the hanger a little bit. And of course, the actual factory original bolt, like J-bolt, other than it having a little bit of rust, it was very clean because of the undercoat. But because there's so much undercoat, you can only turn it so far until it breaks the bolt. But also we'll make new ones for that. So we got one strap off, getting ready to undo the other undercoat mounting over here. I just want to say how impressed I am with the undercoat being as thick as it was. Look how nice the tank material itself is. It's just like brand new. I actually did really well on the undercoat. A lot of times you see stuff undercoated and it's just a disaster underneath. So this is ready to drop out. I gotta go up and undo the front a little bit real quick, but then we good. So much dust and dirt. Ugh. But it's out for the most part. All right, tank is out. Yeah. And pickup are out. It's actually quite clean, but it's missing its sock, which would definitely explain part of the reason why this wouldn't be picking up. I think the sock's down in there. I'm gonna get it out, but I mean, it flows.